With the process of design, I'll come up with various 3D models of the part that we want to make. And once I have that, then we can design a mold that will actually produce this part. This mold has all kinds of cooling lines. Plastic will be injected into each one of these, and it's a very fast process, but it has to be very precise. So this mold has to match with the other side of the mold within 1/1000th of an inch. And once this mold is made, then it will go into a press. And this press will inject plastic into it. And then once we have those samples, we see how they look, we're gonna feel them, make sure they feel good, they look good, they perform well. And then eventually, it will make it, you know, into people's homes. Well, we've finally got our finished product here, and this is our seed starting kit. As you can see, the seed starters kind of come in and out of here, and then this whole tray can lift out, and this is our water tray, and so this can easily be carried around even with these handles, and the whole system can be carried around like that. Or if you're just carrying the seeds, you can carry it like this. And this seed starting tray can also double as a harvest tray. So it's got drain holes. And so when you've got all your vegetables, you can carry them around. And with these, each one of these seed starters, we have holes in the bottom that allow you to push out little seedlings. We've got drain holes, drain slots, and aeration slots here, and then a little handle on the side. So it should make it really easy, and these things should last a long time. Well, we hope you enjoy starting seeds in our new seed starting kit. Happy gardening.